Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Uday Trades. As you must have seen the thumbnail of this video is going to be about gold and silver, mainly focusing on silver. And in the end, I will also tell you how I am going to trade in this analysis. And also do watch the video till the end because you will get my perspective in a better manner if you watch the video till the end. And if you're coming to this channel for the first time, do subscribe to the channel because it motivates me to make more content like this. And this video is going to be in English audio language because I'm going to analyze the international charts, and I thought the best way to put out this video will be in audio English language. So let's go and let's look at the chart which I'm talking about. Firstly, let's start with analyzing the chart of silver. So how we are going to analyze the chart of silver is through analyzing the silver ETF, the iShares silver ETF in US, and this is the most important ETF, I would say, if you want to get exposure to silver. And the way this ETF works is that it will be correlated to the prices of silver in international markets. But to get a better idea of the upcoming moves, I think the best way to analyze the charts are through silver, which is the SLV iShares Silver ETF. So if you analyze the chart here, so this is the weekly chart. Firstly, this is the weekly chart. So every candle is a week's candle. And if I make a trend line for you, let me make a trend line in a better manner. So I clearly see a trend line in the weekly charts, which we are about to test. So currently we are around a weekly trend line, and I think that this is a strong trend line. So this is a support, in my opinion, which can be held. So 18 is the level which I am looking at in SLV, the iShares Silver Trust. Secondly, another thing which I am noting in this is go to the daily charts. So if you see in the chart, there is a divergence kind of formation. The price is coming down, but your RSI is going up, which indicates a bullish divergence. And this, in my opinion, is a good sign showing that the trend is gaining strength. So there is a kind of a bullish divergence in the daily charts. The price is coming down, but the RSI is going higher. So this is a bullish divergence. So 2 points which we noted is that we are coming towards the trend line support. We are around the trend line support. 18 could be the crucial level for SLV, the silver chart, and there is a bullish divergence as well. Another thing to note is that if we go in the weekly charts, if we go in the weekly charts and we remove all of these things which we have drawn, so as per the previous uptrend, we have corrected approximately 61.8%, more than that. So that is a good sign that the correction which we've done is pretty solid. And this is a good correction which has happened in the stocks, and this could be the area from where we could see a buying momentum in the charts. Now we've seen that there are 3-4 indications indicating that 18 is the crucial level for SLV, and there is a chance that we might bounce from there. Now, another crucial chart which you have to look at is of another precious metal, and that is gold. So for gold, you can look at the XAU USD. This is the gold spot price. And one of the most important thing which I note here is that the week before this, the last week of February, we kind of, here if you see, this green candle is called the bullish engulfing candle. And this is a strong bullish candle indicating that there is a chance that we might take support around these levels. There are buyers around these levels, and we might bounce back from here. So this is another chart which I'm looking at. And if you go in the daily charts as well, you are approaching the support levels on gold as well. Last time we came around these levels, 1800 levels, and we bounced back. So this is an indication that gold is also around crucial support levels, and there is a likely chance that you might bounce back from here. And if you look at the RSIs as well, the relative strength index, there is a higher strength in the trend. So there is a likely chance that we might take support around these levels in gold as well. Now I will tell you the chart which is really important to observe before we jump to a conclusion in gold and silver. So gold and silver has a high correlation with US dollar, and you can observe the US dollar through the dollar index. So when you see that the dollar index has gone up in the past few days, we've seen gold and silver come to the lower levels. So that means that dollar index and the silver and gold, which are the precious metals, have an inverse relationship with the US dollar. So now if you see, US dollar has a resistance around the 106 level. So we are approaching the resistance level of dollar index. And if this isn't breached this time, then I will show you what is going to happen. So if you see, this is the resistance which I'm talking about, around 106. So we kind of broke out from here, then we tested, took support, and then this was happening in the month of August in 2022, and then we went higher. So this was the time we went approximately till 114 in the dollar index, and then we came down to 106, and we took a support, but this got broken and we went lower. So when this trend from 114 till 102 levels was happening, what really happened was the gold prices and silver prices shot up massively in a quick uptrend. Now again, if we need to see that this is a resistance, then we should take a resistance around these levels and start going lower. And if that happens, that will be bullish for gold and silver. So what I am looking at is that if gold and silver has to turn bullish from here, the chart of dollar index has to take a resistance at 106, and if that happens, then it will be a really bullish sign for gold and silver. So this is what I want to discuss with you, and there are some factors which I had discussed in one of my videos I had posted last week, and I told you the factors which are positive for gold, and you can see the video here. And one of the major factors which I wanted to talk about in that video was the dollar prices. If dollar index gets weak, then it is really beneficial for gold and silver, and that's what I'm looking at. As I told you that I will be sharing my trade in the end. So I'm trading silver, and I have already told you in the past that silver is one of my favorite commodities to trade. The expiry is 28th April of this contract. I might roll over this contract if my targets aren't achieved. I will roll over into the other expiries if in case my targets don't get achieved in this time frame. And this is a positional trade firstly. So the time frame for this trade would be at least a month or two. And my quantity which I've taken is 5. And my average price is 61,883. And my stop loss will be below 60K on this. And my target, I will target 1:2, 1:3 trades. So my targets would be at least 66K to 68K of silver. And I will keep updating you regularly. If you want to know the regular updates, you can follow me on Instagram. And my username is Uday Trades. And my Telegram channel is also Uday Trades. So you can follow me there for regular updates. And if you still haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the upcoming videos. Thank you.